Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you are watching this video. Thanks again for clicking on my channel. Today is going to be a double camping trip for me. I'm going to be on Lake Jocassee at Devil's Fork State Park. Devil's Fork State Park is about a 2-hour drive from where my hometown is. And let me tell you, it is absolutely beautiful out here. I can't express it enough. So come join me. We're gonna do some camping, kayaking. We're gonna try to find some waterfalls. We're gonna eat some good food over a nice hot fire and try and sleep comfortable. All right. Look at that mountain view, man. That is absolutely gorgeous. Heading roughly right over in this area somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. This is my first time on this lake, and I'm just blown away by this view. 300 degrees. With this current, it's pretty choppy out, and it is pretty windy. Not, I would probably say maybe 10 miles an hour, maybe a little bit more. It's gorgeous. I think I might hang out here all night. Just sleep right here. Right under the stars. Oh man. Stars are gonna be out. This is cool. I'm so glad I did this. It's getting a little choppy now. I don't know where the wind just picked up from. That's alright. Oh my god. Okay. Last thing I want to do is flip this kayak and most of my gear sinks to the bottom. That would that wouldn't be good, that's for sure. I just gotta watch these like waves. I don't know where these waves are coming from. It's just the wind, I guess. Getting close now. Getting real close. I've been out here for about 45-50 minutes now, resting and paddling, working out muscles in my arms that I didn't know I had. What the hell is that? That's weird. Is it a person? I don't have zoom on this, but it's like right over here. Maybe it's Jason Voorhees. Beat him across the head with my oar. Break that mask right off his face. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with Silas. I'm gonna beat you. I'll beat you good. Oh, I made it. Well, it's not Jason Voorhees. Someone just drying out their shirt, I guess. Double Springs Campground, open to the public. Duke Power Energy Company, managed by South Carolina Parks, Recreation, and Tourism. This is cool, man. This is so cool. I don't think I'm at the right spot to be at my camp. There's individual camps out here. They all start with B, and they go from 1 to like 23, I think, maybe 25. I'm not sure, but I think I'm like B2, which they said that which was the nicest one with all the views. I think I might go explore a little bit and trying to figure out where that is. All right, I was at the wrong campsite. That was number 4, and I got to go to number 2. So this is the direction where the numbers get less, so, or at least I think it is. It is choppy. The closer I get to the shoreline, it gets real choppy. The wind is coming in from this direction. comes a speedboat freaking doing 50. Better not come near me. Oh boy. I might be at the right site. I'm not sure. I did see another one, like another site like right over here. So that could have been 3. I'm hoping I'm at number 2. I don't know, I guess I'll have to find out. Okay, I found the site. This is so cool, man. I can't believe I'm out here. I've been wanting to come out here. My wife and I did some camping for my birthday. I think it was last year, 2024. And we really liked the area where we were camping, but I didn't know that they did primitive camping where you had the kayak. It's kind of like an island out here. Oh wow, oh man, this is awesome. This is gonna be me for the next 2.5 days. I'm digging this, man. Woo! This is cool. Just look at my view out here, man. Look at my view. Let's get a little closer. How awesome is this? Definitely don't want to get trip and fall down there. That's an indefinite ankle blowout. Look at all this deadfall. This is perfect. Got a big old log, looks like cedar right here. Or maybe just some solid oak. A lot of deadfall over here. I don't know if that's like a trail or what. I'll explore this place a little bit better. Alright, I'm gonna hike up all my gear from the kayak. I guess I'll just leave the kayak down there. Tie it off to a tree. Yeah. Whew! I am so excited to be here, man. I am so excited. I got my tent all set up, got my gear all labeled out, ready to go. I think the next thing I'm gonna end up doing is gathering firewood, maybe chopping some firewood. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll go for a swim. Here's gonna be my layout tonight. Ooh, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, man, he's gonna sleep comfortable tonight. Ooh, I am. All that paddling I did, I could probably take a nap right now. I'm just kidding. Man, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Temperatures are rising a little bit, so I am getting a little hot. I don't think I'm gonna get the fire going. I am really hungry. Brought some soup, so maybe I'll just have that for the time being. I upgraded my campsite a little bit. So I wanted to put the tarp up here, just in case if it rains. I'm gonna be out here for a couple of days. So I could always maneuver these guys if I need to pivot this area down so it's not collecting rainwater right here, so it's not getting heavy or anything like that. I just wanted extra shelter for my tent. I just had enough paracord. Just had enough. I got no more paracord. Note to self, get more paracord. No matter if you think it's enough, just get always get 30 or 40 more feet more, just to be on the safe side. And 2, don't get black. Get like a bright color, maybe like red or like a green or blue. something like that. I got another black one going right there. So at night, I'm gonna end up hooking up my lamps. My lamps! Where are my lamps? My lamps. I made this little hoop right there. Woo, look at that. That's gonna look real nice. Got another one over here for in the middle of the night. It's gonna glow, baby. It's gonna glow. Guys, I have to admit, I am in heaven right now. Absolutely in heaven. I can't believe this is such a gorgeous view. I can't believe I only paid less than $100 for this spot for 2 days. It's like maybe 80 bucks. Man, this is just absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful, beautiful day it is today. The weather was horrible like the past week, raining on and off. I checked the weather channel in this area and it's just gonna be, you know, just bright and sunny. You know, 4% chance of rain. That's pretty much no rain at all. I'm just so thrilled that I'm here. It's so nice and cool. There's so much foliage out, just hovering over where I am so the sun isn't beating down on me. I got this gorgeous view. I feel like I'm at the ocean, but I'm definitely not. It's just one big, huge, giant lake. Let's take a little break. Or I already took a break. Took about maybe a 30-minute break. I just had to relax for a little bit, take everything in. Let's look at our surroundings down here, man. Oh my God. I'm gonna come down here later and I'm gonna check out the stars. Man, I'm excited. My kayak. Look at this beach line, dude. All this is for myself tonight and tomorrow and the next day. Oh my God, I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna chill on that log. Look, gaze at the stars, man. How awesome is this? How awesome is this place? This is Devil's Fork State Park. However, the initial park is, well, you can't even really see it from here, but down to that tree line over there, and then you make a right, and it kind of curves all the way back over there. So you have to boat into this area. I don't know if this is like a, I think it is. Yeah, you could boat anything, not just a kayak. You could, you know, a motorboat, canoe, whatever you want to do. Hell, you could probably swim out here with all your gear. Be a little challenging, but yeah, if you could do it, you know. Oh man, I'm already seeing. Yeah, whatever. Saw a little bottle cap of someone's beer. I hate that, man. But anyway, look at this. Absolutely amazing. Definitely coming down here later. So cool, man. So cool. I'm so excited. Well, one thing good about getting firewood, I don't have to go too far. Oh man, I got lucky. Seriously, I got lucky. It's all over the place. That was one thing that I was a little worried about. We just had a lot of rain, but I think we're good. I think we're good. Whew. That's better. Seems like every single tree I've been cutting has these little pine cone. Those will go up real good. Look at that, man. Yeah. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Stainless steel, it's the way to go, man. Place it right over the coals. Let it get nice and hot right before, you know, you throw whatever you want on there. I'm not sure what kind of flower this is, but man, if anybody knows, let me know in the comment. I don't know if this is poisonous or not, but I hope the camera is picking that up. It's so cool. Doesn't have a smell, but it's still pretty cool. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Ooh boy, while that's settling, getting all nice and deep black, let's take a look over here. Oh my gosh, look at that guys. Man, this turned out to be a really good little setup. I'm not one to brag, but I think this became a pretty cool setup. Ooh. Been waiting for this moment. Waiting. I'm so sorry. I feel like a carnivore right now. What a great meal. What a great meal. Don't eat pork a lot, but man, Sometimes it just hits the spot. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Watching the sunrise. I can't wait. I'm gonna get out on the lake. Maybe do some fishing tomorrow. I'm tired. Today's been a long day. See you in the morning. Oh, just woke up. And it was not a very comfortable experience. Not like last time. I'm not sure why. Just had trouble sleeping. I kept waking up. My watch says, I looked at the graph of my sleep, and it says I woke up like once every hour. That doesn't surprise me. Anyway. Oh, day 2. I'm excited. First things first, I think I gotta put some food in my tummy. Maybe I have some soup. Don't have any breakfast goods. That's okay. Food's food. I'm hungry. Bon appetit. Nothing like a hearty, chunky meal. Buy chunky. Pick it up at your local grocery store today. Chunky Soup is my sponsor. I'd like to discuss about the soup. It's good for you. Has a lot of protein. And it's super high in sodium. I'm a goof. I got food in me. I'm a happy boy. Gotta go do dishes. I also need to go collect some purified water and purify water. Getting a little low in my canteen. Ain't gonna find that. We're gonna find some water. Oh man. You know, I gotta say, this water, I've been to a ton of lakes. This lake is absolutely, it looks clear. Look at that. How amazing is this, man? Just works on gravity. The only problem is that the flow is really slow, so I would hold it here, but I can't. Let's see. Now, where's it gonna want to go? Right about here. But my bottle isn't gonna stay on there. Oh, maybe. Oh, look at there. Hands free. That's awesome. Give it a little taste test. That there be some high quality H2O. High quality. Ooh. Perfect. Superb. It's so cold in the shade. In the sun, it's hot. I don't know what to do first. Did the dishes, got my water, and got something food. I think all left is go for a swim. Alright guys, I am almost naked. I didn't bring a bathing suit. Oh. Oh my God. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be exhilarating. Exhilarating. Just do it. Oh. 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 Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Okay. I think a few seconds is all I can handle. That's freezing water, man. I don't think I'm gonna go back in there. I gotta stand in the sun. It's way too cold to get in the shade right now. At least till I dry off. Cleaned out my shirt. It was stinky. It smelled like fire. It smelled like sweat. Oh yeah, I don't stinky anymore. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit. Alright, I think that's enough skipping rocks. Yeah. Let's go on a little adventure. I saw some pretty cool kind of like rocks, like canyons or something around this portion. And then I saw like an island too. Maybe I'll go check that out. Thought I heard something. It's getting choppy now. Let's go see if we can't find ourselves a great white shark. Food shock size. Okay, I'm done. Straight ahead right over there is kind of, I saw that coming in yesterday, that little cove. Let's go check it out. So it's really, like where I'm at, I'm like right over there. I think I'm right over there. So we just made a whole loop around. It's really not much over here. It is another campsite right here, so I don't want to stick around too long. I don't want them to think I'm eavesdropping into their privacy. But it's pretty cool. Wow, this is beautiful, man. Mountains off in the distance. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but God. Whoa guys, this is so neat. This is so cool. Honestly, what a magical place this is. I can't, this is just beautiful. I literally feel like I'm at the beach. Like I'm down in the Caribbean or something. This is just, I could come here. I'd come here 50 times and I'd never get bored of this scenery. Look at this scenery. Ah. Having the experience to do something like this, it's just so worth the time to just find places like this and to go exploring. And that's all I'm about, man. Exploration of its finest. Truly am a pioneer. I love the outdoors. Let's go find another little cool spot, shall we? Yeah. Right up here's where that ledge was. I could kind of see my cooler up there, I think. Coolie, I'm down here. Coolie can't hear me. This place kind of reminds me of, you ever watch that movie Homeward Bound when you were a kid? And, you know, they're just out in the wild, getting chased by all kinds of wild animals and trying to survive and find their way back home. I don't know, that scenery in that movie, that's just kind of what it reminds me out here. Just mountains. I wouldn't be surprised if I Google searched where that movie or that film was, where the location was filmed. I don't think it was here, but man, I don't know. Could be. I'm not sure what's that straight ahead. Almost looks like a, like right here. Almost looks like a beaver dam. Hello! No, I think it's just washed up logs. Current is pushing me in from this direction right here, so. Oh, it was a beaver dam. This is a cool little cove. Drifting into nothing. Back it on up. Man, did the temperature drop today. Yesterday I was sweating. Should have put my jacket on. That's alright. Once you're in the sun though, it feels really nice. I heard that there was a waterfall somewhere around here. Where? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep going. I'm going to park out here for a few minutes. Woo! I got 4 skips on that one. Alright, let's see where we are on the map. So we're right here. Campsite is about right over in here somewhere, so not too far. But look at this. Look how much more it goes. I mean, you're gonna need a motorboat for all that. This is a huge lake. I don't know if the camera was picking that up on my phone, but man, it's just like endless of water. I literally feel like I'm at the beach. And I grew up on the beach. I was born in Miami. So this is a better view than the beach that I grew up with. Absolutely way better view. It's chilly. I don't know if the camera can see it, but there's a house right there. How amazing would it be to live and come outside and just have this access to your house? I think I'm gonna relax here for about 5-10 minutes and head on back. Temperatures are dropping. Or at least I feel like they are. And it's because I just keep getting splashed. Splish splash, I was taking the bath. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. I'll see you back at camp unless something amazing happens. That was fun. That was fun. I might take a nap now. Ugh. It's getting chilly out. I took a nice long nap. Much needed. A little longer than I wanted to. I took about a 2-hour nap. Just had some noodles. Sun's about going down. About another 2 more hours or so of daylight. Not a whole lot to do. I don't even know if I'm gonna have a fire tonight. It's so windy. Yeah. I actually might just, I don't know, hang out in the tent, maybe watch a movie. I do get a little reception out here, so I hope I can watch a movie. I don't know, probably just doze back off the bed. Yeah, if anything exciting happens, I'll turn the camera back on. Other than that, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know. Yeah. Oh man. It's about 8:30 a.m. right now. Oh, I had the last can of soup last night. Probably like around maybe 9. I just went to bed. I was so tired. That kayaking event that I did yesterday, whoo, it wore me out. And I got a kayak all the way back to the truck. About another 45 minutes, maybe even about 45-minute kayak. My right shoulder is killing me. That's alright. Well, not much left really to do now. I just gotta get everything all wrapped up. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face. Just get prepared, mentally prepared to kayak again. Well, as I was brushing my teeth, it started to rain. Oh man, this is not going to be a fun day. I'm just going to pack up everything, throw it in the kayak, and I'm probably just going to get soaking wet. It is what it is. Well, we're all good. I'm all packed up. Got everything all taken down. I'm gonna miss this spot. Definitely will be back. Man, what a great adventure. I'm so excited to get home though. Something I always look forward to. Take a nice warm shower, have some food, sleep in my own bed. Yeah, that's gonna hit the spot. Hit the spot. Well, got a long trip back to the truck. Got everything on the kayak, just about. And yeah, it seems like it was just last night I just got here. I've been here for, wow, exactly 48 hours now. Perfect timing, man, perfect timing. Yep. Well, that being said, really appreciate you clicking on my channel and watching out my videos, or this video in particular. If you like any of the other, if you like this adventure, I got a few more that you could select. If not, then stay tuned. I do plan on making more. All right, thanks so much. Bye.